Rolling? Okay. So first of all, a very good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good. Good afternoon to you too.
Okay. So what is your good name?
I am Akhand Pratap Singh.
Okay. So tell me about your startup and what is it all about?
So our startup name is Vymanik Aerospace. We are a drone manufacturing startup. We make customized drones and provide aerial surveillance, inspection, and mapping services through the drones which we make.
Okay. So today, how are you feeling at AICRA?
So this is a great event. A lot of companies are here from different backgrounds and a lot of people from different government departments, and so it's a good place to interact with people and let to know other people's.
Great, sir. So when we come to events like this or exhibitions like this, what today? How do you think it helps you? If you could define.
So these kind of networking events give us a fair idea what competitors are doing, what other industry is doing, in which way we are progressing, and also the policies of different governments and how the government is supporting us, and also the key stakeholders like the people with whom we can do the pilots, with whom we can work. So those kind of people are also here. So that is directly helpful for us.
I totally agree with you, sir. We have, investors, innovators, buyers, and everyone under one roof today here at AICRA, if I may tell. So, coming back to the startup, as you told, it is a, drone startup. So, how did you get an idea? Okay, so this is what I want to do. What is the story behind your startup?
So I'm an aeronautical engineer, and while doing so, we were making the drones and then going to the competitions in different colleges, IITs, and all. And meanwhile, we started giving workshops in colleges where we were training students to make the drones, and then we come out. We were helping the students to make the drones for their engineering projects. Then we started doing some works through those drones, and like this only the works started coming, and uh, we kept on moving ahead and moving better and better drones. So that's how.
Great, sir. I wish you all the very best, and I hope, it grows into a very big stuff. Thank you so much. Have a very great day.